Hi, I'm Jenna. I'm the choreographer on The Loop Show, and I'm going to teach you the chorus of The Wild. So, get your dance shoes on, let's do it. So, you start, and it's kind of like a little bit of a groove. You're leading into the music, it's kind of the low before the fast starts, and when the chorus picks in, or the bridge picks up, you start, and your arms go cross, down, but you kind of want to make it jumpy. Cross, down, then you step. Right foot, step, left foot, then you repeat it. Cross, down, step right foot, step left foot. Then you step just like you did, but you point. Step, touch, step, touch. Then you point down, go in a circle, and that's the first part, okay? So you got that part. Let's do it one more time. Cross, jump, step, cross, jump, step. You point, down, point, turn around. Okay, so this is the chorus, and this is where it gets fast. So after you turn around, you step, touch, touch, step, touch. Then it gets fast. You push. Arms out, arms in, cross, open. Out, in, cross, open. Your love is wild is that part. So you do your love is, then you pretend like you have a ball or some sort of object you're throwing around. So you push your leg, you grab it, and you throw it up. Throw it up and watch it, catch it, throw it up, catch it, then you throw it the last time, and you whoa. Okay, so the fast part. Push, leg, wild, catch, wild, whoa. Then you push up with your arms, push, jump 3 times, jump, push again, point. And that's it. So, you wanna run through with the music? Let's do it.
And it feels like I'm coming alive. I can't stop, I can't help, dancing like I got no shame. No more fear, no more doubt, never gonna be the same. Eyes on you, won't look back.